Artificial intelligence, AI, is globally acknowledged as the most dramatic technological advancement of our age. AI is always getting better and is still a new idea, but its real-world effects are already evident in every area of life. It is expected to continue to have a diverse impact on most fields in both the private and public sectors. Defense and security will be the primary experimental and user fields for AI. To what extent will defense and security be affected? Most believe it will be incremental. The inception of AI as a discipline transpired in wartime research in various analytical areas, such as cryptography and calculating ballistic firing tables for artillery and cruise missiles. The revised definition of AL terms it as the study of mechanisms underlying intelligent behavior through the construction and evaluation of artifacts that attempt to enact those mechanisms. Hence it works as an artificial human brain with unbelievable unnatural thinking power. Researchers' futuristic objectives for advanced military needs are cognitive reasoning, learning, natural language processing, and realization, the ability to move and manipulate military objects to fetch victories and dominate battlefields. The current COVID-19 pandemic will manifest many novel ideas if it is finally ascertained to be an artificial biological weapon launched to bring the belligerents' military and economic goals. In recent decades, Hollywood has used AI to create genetically altered dead humans as zombies and Skynet programs for machine superiority. The armed forces of the leading military powers recognize the qualitative edge of AI systems, which are likely to give to the soldiers of tomorrow, who often face problems of scale, complexity, pace, and resilience that outpace unaided human decision-making. Whether for commanders faced with unconventional adversaries in high-speed engagements, intelligence analysts drawing the correct conclusions from petabytes of noisy data, or frontline soldiers, AI promises to improve people's ability to analyze, make decisions, and act quickly. It will also speed up learning and make it easier for them to act with care, accuracy, and discretion in uncertain and changing situations. So, it shouldn't come as a surprise that many of the world's best militaries are already running some of the most critical military applications where AI will prove its worth in the coming years and can be used in different ways. From the perspective of AI's role in cyber-secure military systems are often vulnerable to cyber attacks, which can direct to the loss of classified military information. However, AI systems can protect networks, programs, computers, and data from unauthorized access. In addition, AI-enabled web security systems can record the pattern of cyber attacks and create counterattack means to tackle them. In military logistics and transport, AI can play an important role. It also enables military fleets to detect abnormality easily and quickly predict component defaults. For target recognition, AI can enhance accuracy in complex combat environments. Additionally, AI in target recognition systems promotes these systems' capacity to identify their target positions. From the perspective of robotic ground platforms and robotic surgical systems, AI can be assimilated both to support remote surgical support and evacuation. Under difficult situations, systems equipped with AI can manage soldiers' medical histories and assist in multiple diagnoses. Simulation and training is a multidisciplinary field that pairs system engineering, software engineering, and computer science to construct computerized models that acquaint combatants with the various combat systems deployed during military operations. Threat monitoring and situation alertness rely on intelligence and surveillance activities. Unmanned systems used to carry out intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions can either be remotely operated or sent on a predefined route. Equipping these systems with AI assists defense persons in threat monitoring, enhancing their situational awareness. Crewless aerial vehicles, or drones, can patrol border areas, look for possible threats, and send information about these threats to response teams when they find them. Using UAVs can thus strengthen the security of military bases and establishments and increase the safety and efficacy of defense services persons in battle or at remote locations. The quadcopter is an unmanned surveillance and reconnaissance drone that is efficient in stalking enemies down, especially in jagged mountainous areas. If you want to learn more, please read the article. You will find comprehensive applications of AI in defense. Thanks for your time.